Hello, my name is Dr. Tim Birch from Team Healthcare Clinic. Our brainwave activity affects how our brain performs, how we feel, how our bodies respond to stress and outside stimuli, even how our immune system responds to illness. If our brainwave patterns are unhealthy, it can result in a number of health challenges. The good news is that the brain is extremely adaptable, and with proper training, called neurofeedback, our brains can correct unhealthy brainwave patterns and replace them with healthy patterns. Team Healthcare Clinic is excited to be offering neurofeedback therapy to our patients as a part of our brain health protocol. Your brain is wonderfully complex, and every part of you is affected by your brain. But what happens when your brain isn't functioning normally? Brain disorders and degeneration are on the rise, affecting young and old alike. Modern diets, lifestyle, stress, environmental toxins, and trauma can all contribute to brain degeneration, resulting in unhealthy patterns of brainwave activity. One of our providers, Dr. Eric Starr, specializes in brain disorders and is experienced in treating patients using neurofeedback. He will explain the important process.
My name is Dr. Eric Starr, and I am passionate about chiropractic neurology. I've accumulated more than 300 hours of postdoctorate training in this area. Team Healthcare Clinic offers neurofeedback because it is very effective. Very few medical providers offer this treatment to their patients. Many of our patients have reported that neurofeedback has been life-changing and has given hope to those who thought they were out of options. People are often confused about what neurofeedback is and does, so I want to take a few minutes to explain the concepts. Neurofeedback is a scientifically proven technique that helps to normalize and balance brain function. The neurofeedback device that we use at Team Healthcare Clinic has been approved by the FDA, and the process is non-invasive and painless. Research studies report its effectiveness in addressing a number of health problems. 3 in particular that we have good results with are ADD, anxiety, and sleep issues. A list of other issues that can be treated using neurofeedback is shown here. Neurofeedback works by improving the electrical activity of the brain. But before we can start these treatments, we need to know what is going on inside the brain. We accomplish this by using a pain-free, non-invasive process called brain mapping. We perform EEG brainwave monitoring and digital analysis on each patient, allowing us to see the rate of firing of the different brain waves in each area of the brain. A software program analyzes this information and generates a summary of the brain's electrical activity. The 20-minute process of getting a brain map is very simple and completely painless. The patient sits in a chair facing a computer screen, wearing a cap containing electrodes. A special software analyzes the brain activity recorded by the electrodes. When complete, this brain map will show the areas of the brain that are overactive, underactive, or not well regulated, so we can begin the correct neurofeedback therapy to retrain these areas. Using the information obtained from the EEG analysis, patients will come in for neurofeedback brain training sessions that last approximately 30 minutes. Most problems take between 20 and 40 sessions to obtain optimal results, but improvement can usually be seen within the first 10 sessions. During a neurofeedback session, the sensors read activity from the patient's brain in real time. This can all be done while watching a movie or listening to music. When the brain is doing the correct activity, the movie gets brighter and louder, and when it is doing the wrong activity, it gets darker and dimmer. Your brain naturally seeks the reward by doing the correct activity because it wants to watch the movie. Many patients say that neurofeedback sessions are a very pleasant and relaxing experience. The brain is very complex, but our ability to evaluate a patient's brain waves during this process is actually quite amazing. The software we use compares brain waves coming to the patient to that of optimal brain waves. This process is repeated throughout the neurofeedback sessions and trains the brain with a reward system. Eventually, the brain self-regulates and learns to stay normalized. Unlike medications, which only address the symptoms, neurofeedback can address the cause of many issues like the ones listed here. That is why at Team Healthcare Clinic we are very excited to be offering this innovative, natural, effective therapy. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this explanation about neurofeedback. I welcome the opportunity to meet with you and provide a free consultation.
We hope you enjoyed this video regarding the benefits of neurofeedback. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of the symptoms or health challenges mentioned here, we invite you to come into our clinic for an initial consultation at no cost to you to determine whether you're a candidate for neurofeedback. Please call us at 763-323-1492 or visit our website to request a free consultation.